The overall goal of this electrophysiological measurement is to objectively assess nociception in newborn infants.
This method can help answer key questions in the neonatal field, such as how nonverbal patients perceive pain and how it differs in response to different conditions. The main advantage of this technique is that it can be used in neonates born at term or late preterm, starting at 34 weeks of gestational age.
The implications of this technique extend toward investigation of pain because it is the first objective measurement of nociception in nonverbal patients. Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because experience with EEG is required.
We first had the idea for this method when we observed after delivery different pain responses in neonates born spontaneously as compared to those born by elective cesarean section.
But also at the neonatal intensive care unit, babies are exposed to so many potentially painful procedures. You don't know how much they perceive even when they are under analgesic drugs. Now we can objectively measure their noxious response.
Before starting, ensure the baby is quiet and settled. The baby can be asleep, but sucking motion should be absent during the recording because of movement artifacts. Measure the neonate's head circumference with a measuring tape to define the size of the EEG cap. Then identify the active electrode position by marking the middle point between nasion and inion and the middle point between the left and right preauricle point with a skin marker pencil. A schematic of the electrode positions is shown here.